Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, we can confirm to you now, is heading towards the crash site. He is going to be taking off from Delhi in a short while from now. He will be visiting Coonoor. This was an Indian Air Force helicopter that crashed. The Air Force Chief is on his way to Coonoor now. Abhishek Balla, Defence Editor, breaking the story. Abhishek, Air Chief Marshal Vivek Chaudhary on his way to Coonoor.
Yes, Shiv, confirmation to us first at India Today that Air Chief Marshal has been to reach the crash site and he will be there very soon. The Defence Minister has been monitoring the situation. Air Chief was briefing him on all the information, all the details that were coming in. In turn, the Defence Minister also gave an update to the Prime Minister a little while earlier. And in fact, when news started to pour earlier in the day, it was during the cabinet meet that was on, and
we have an audio problem. There's an audio problem with Abhishek, and I'm going to ask our producers not to put Abhishek back on until we've got that fixed, because properly and we get the correct information. So Abhishek doesn't come back on until that is fixed. Let's to stay with the Akshaya. Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary heading towards Tamil Nadu now. The Air Chief is heading there. Any update from the ground from the government agencies?
Well, Shiv, the Air Chief Marshal is going to reach Sulur in Coimbatore. This is the same route through which we had seen General Bipin Rawat and the others had also taken. They had flight down from Delhi to Sulur, and then from Sulur to they were flying to Wellington College, where he was to give a lecture. So what we can understand right now from the ground here is that all preparations are being made. We're being told that Chief Minister M.K. Stalin will also be flying to Coimbatore, and then from there will be moving via road to Coonoor. And at the given point of time, Shiv, the information that we have in hand is that as far as the incident is concerned, 11 people have been confirmed dead. 2 people with severe injuries were moved to the Wellington Hospital for further treatment, and doctors from Coimbatore were also sent to ensure that the best treatment is given forward. All the local authorities have been asked to work in tandem with the army to do all the possible efforts, the best possible efforts to ensure that everybody is rescued, retrieved from the spot of the accident. And we need to understand that it is not just the officials or people of authority who are helping there, but also the locals have stepped forward as well, Shiv. Many people who are the first responders were the locals. They were the ones who were trying to douse the fire first, even before the fire and rescue teams had reached. And very tragically, this incident has happened just 10 kilometers away from where the helicopter was supposed to land. So very tragic incident that has happened with very high-profile people on board, which included General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhuleka Rawat. Very tragic incident, and we're just hoping that at least some amount of good news comes out our way. Right now, prayers are going towards all those people who are fighting there and trying to rescue as many people as possible from that crash spot ship.
Stay with me. Stay with